I'll tell you guys about a book that I read about 2 years ago that was super impactful in my life and has helped me in achieving some things that I didn't know were possible. It's called Atomic Habits, written by a guy named James Clear. This is a pretty popular book. You may have heard of it, but if you haven't, go check it out. Here's a quote from the book. The author says, "I accumulated small but consistent habits that ultimately led to results that were unimaginable when I started." Small and consistent habits that ultimately led to results that were unimaginable when I started. I am a big believer in the unimaginable, achieving the unthinkable, going after levels of abundance we never thought possible. And I grab a hold of that. Yes, it's a biblical principle. Ephesians 3:20 is a lifestyle that I choose to live and that my family chooses to live, believing for unimaginable super abundance. But that said, some days are tough. How do you get through the tough days? How do you get through when the bank account doesn't look like it should? Things of that nature. Well, you have to choose consistent habits. Consistent habits that ultimately lead to results. Some of those consistent habits could be getting up by a certain time every day and having a specific routine, choosing to exercise in a certain way, choosing to eat in a certain way. Check out Atomic Habits by James Clear. Learn how to get control of your small and consistent habits. It'll change your life.